boys and girls. Today we're in lesson 136. Ooh, looks like this. Make sure you have it out and have your name on it. Today we are going to review diphthongs. But first, we are going to practice some spelling sounds. So for number 1, we are going to do oi. That's O-I. Uh-oh, can't use this marker. Hold on a second. We're going to use this one instead. I was trying to change colors, but I can't. O-I, or as a final sound, O-Y. Number 2, that's W-H. Number 3, E. So we have E-E, comma, E, final sound, E-E or Y. Number 4, we have K, K, comma, C, final sound, C-K, K, K-E, or C. Number 5, we have R, A-R. Number 6, we have OW. That's O-U in the initial or medial sound, and O-W as a final sound. Number 7, we have that's U, or that schwa, A, makes the sound. Number 8, we have A, which is A consonant E, comma, A, or as a final sound, A, Y. Number 9, we have shun. That's our final stable syllable, T-I-O-N. And number 10, we have O, O consonant E, comma, O, or as a final sound, O-W. Make sure that you have these all written down, and we're going to move on to review some diphthongs. Diphthongs I always think is a really weird name. I'm not exactly sure why they're called that, but might be worth looking into. So a diphthong is 2 vowel sounds that come together so fast that they're just considered one syllable. So we have O-I, O-U, O-Y, and O-W. All right, our picture cards for these words, we would have oil, makes that oi sound. Mouse, makes that ow sound, mouse. Toy, makes that oi sound. And cow, makes that ow sound. Probably wrote these out of order. Oi and oi. Oi we use in the initial or medial sound, so if this was the word foil, we would use that. And then our OY is used at the end, so toy, boy, I'm sure there's more. Then our OU and our OW are also pairs, and our OU we use in the middle or beginning of words, and OW we use at the end, like cow or bow or show. All right, we code these by an arc, just like we do the combinations, right? Okay. All right, let's erase these. Why don't we go ahead and get right to practicing spelling with these? I don't see why not. Right, number 11, let's spell point. So we hear that oi sound in there, and it's in the middle of the word, so it's going to be the O-I. Point. Number 12, we have cowboy. So cowboy is a compound word, so even though the ow comes in the middle, we're going to use that O-W, because we're going to say cow, it's ow, and then boy, and there are oi is at the end. Number 13 is around, ow. We have that ow, and it's in the middle, so it's O-U, around. Number 14, plow, ow, our ow's at the end, so it's O-W. Number 15, coin, our oi is in the middle of the word, so it's O-I, coin. Number 16, south, our ow is in the middle, so O-U, T-H. 17, toys, we're going to spell toy, and then oi, or oy, and then our suffix s at the end. And number 18, house. That ow is in the middle, so it's going to be ou, ow, se. All right, make sure you have all these written down before we move on to our coding. Our coding is the same way it's been the last few lessons, where we are going to match each word to a picture. So after you're done doing the coding with me, we're going to do that. We're going to do about the first 4 and then erase and move on, because I just don't want to worry about fitting them all on one page. Let's do number 19. We have sprouting. So we have our ing suffix. We're going to box that right off. And then we have our OW diphthong. We're just going to give it the arc. Number 20, we have boiling. Again, our ing suffix. We're going to box off. And then our OI diphthong. 21, we have bellboy. This is a compound word, bell and boy, so we'll just draw a line in between. We have our OY diphthong, and then here we have a vowel consonant gets the brev. 22, we have flower pot, again a compound word, flower and pot. So we will draw our line in between flower and pot. We have our OW diphthong and then our ER combination. So remember, our key combinations, diphthongs, make the same arc. And then we have vowel consonant gets a brev. 23 is campground. Again, a compound word. They're really giving us big words, aren't they? Campground. We're going to draw a line between camp and ground. Here we have vowel consonant gets the brev. Our C also gets that K back because it's making that K sound. Down here we have our OU diphthong. 24, enjoying. Enjoying. We're going to box off our ing suffix. Here we have vowel, consonant, consonant, vowel, so we'll draw a line in between the N and the J. We also have our OY diphthong, and our vowel E gets a brev. 25, I said I was going to do this on 2 and I didn't, I lied. 25, we have coiled. We'll box off our ed suffix, and our our OI gets the diphthong. Our C gets the K back because it makes that K sound. And last, 26, downstairs. This is a combination word as well, down and stairs. So we draw a line between down and stairs. Our OW gets the arc diphthong, and our AI is underlined. Mark off the I, and the A gets a macron. Make sure you have all of this written down before I erase. All right, I am going to explain the back. You are reading the paragraph. You've done this before too. Remember, you always need to go back and reread that paragraph if you're not sure of the answers. And you're going to answer the 4 questions after. And that's all for today.